it's a Friday. 2 weeks kaming walang ride kasi malamig. So the weather now is getting better. Nag-ride out kami a little bit late. Kanina yata, it's already 10 a.m. So 2 weeks since last week bago kami nakapag-ride ulit. Yun. So let's go and see you sa Hanifa. Special namin ang Hanifa, and then we've decided to go up Irka, yung Irka climb dyan. Tapos ikot kami, and then probably we're gonna head out to West Dam, also known as Equestrian. So we will see kung saan mapupunta ang aming ruta. We are starting at the very foot of this Irka climb, and if you will see, it will go all the way to that point. Assalamualaikum. Kaya hal? Alhamdulillah. Here on both sides there are like farms, like sheep farms. So they raise sheep here for, I don't know if it's some kind of wool and the meat and stuff, but yeah, because this is not actually, basically outside of the city center. So this will be the very first climb. It's not that stiff, it's not that long, and after that it will be like a short recovery and a couple of climbs. So changing gears now. So this is the very short recovery, and then another longer climb. And I don't know if you could see it in the video, on this part, the right side, the road is not quite good. And like on the left side, the one coming down, it's kind of even flat. I mean the surface. So right now this is the third, I think, yeah, an even more steeper climb. If you can see, there is a trailer, a tanker coming down. This is what this road makes dangerous, because you have trucks like this coming down, and sometimes going up as well. See? Point in case, or case in point. Currently, I think this is the fourth one, and this is about 10%. And I'm hearing a minibus coming up.
Bro,
173.
ha?
173. So this is the last one, and this is the steepest climb or part, which is this is the elbow, or sa Tagalog, siko. Whew, we made it. That's kind of brutal. So after that climb, it's a very long recovery. It's a descent actually. Very nice one. We are getting -1. I don't know if it's accurate or not, but I'm getting a reading of -1 descent. Whew. Nice long recovery. So, tapos na kami kumain. Uwi na. Makapagpahinga at makapaglaba kasi bukas may takbo kami sa Riyadh Marathon. Finally at the apartment. And look who's greeting us today. It's Baka! Baka!